Welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the holy Rebbe Elimelech from Lezhensk. We begin now the book of Deuteronomy in our liturgical readings, and we read Devarim Yarding. These are the words that Moses spoke on the other side of the Jordan River in the first chapter and first verse of Deuteronomy. Nearly, it appears to me, says the Rebbe Melech, that the saint, his desires, his tremendous desires are to constantly pour down abundant goodness to the house of Israel, and to accomplish for them all of their needs. They should have children, family life, good life, and abundance of parnasa, of food and sustenance and prosperity, and to turn around the attributes of strict justice into mercy, and to draw down unto them tremendous loving kindnesses. And why does he do this? In order to give satisfaction to his Maker, may be blessed. And this accomplishes that there is great pleasure in all the worlds, and to bring down these blessings constantly without any ceasing. But in order to accomplish this, the saint needs to be ownerless, like a desert, like a wilderness. As it says in the Talmud concerning Joab, who was from the army of King David, that his house was like a desert, that his house was ownerless. It was open to everyone passing by, going back and forth like a desert. And such a saint needs to be ownerless and open for everyone, whatever he needs, for any type of thing. This is the meaning of what it says in the scripture. These are the words which Moses spoke to all Israel in the desert. It says, Chaser Khan, the end of this teaching is missing, but we can understand what it means. That the reason why it's mentioning that Moses said all these words in the desert is that the saint needs to make himself like a desert. If he wants to give blessings to everybody, he has to be open to everybody. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.